In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on spell check in Word for Mac. Whether you're drafting an important document or simply jotting down notes, having the spell check feature enabled can significantly enhance your writing process, catching those sneaky typos and ensuring your text is polished and professional. Let's dive in and guide you through the simple steps you'll need to follow. Start by opening your Word application on your Mac. Once Word is up and running, you'll want to direct your attention to the menu bar situated at the very top of your screen. In this menu bar, you'll notice a variety of options, but the one you're looking for is labeled Word. It's usually located on the left-hand side, right next to the Apple icon. Go ahead and click on Word, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Preferences. Selecting this will take you to another window where you can customize various settings in Word. Here, we're focusing on the settings that control spelling and grammar. In the Preferences window, you'll see a range of icons, each corresponding to different preferences you can adjust. Locate the icon labeled Spelling and Grammar and give it a click. This is where you'll find the options for configuring how Word handles spelling errors and grammatical issues in your documents. Now, you're in the right place to enable the spell check feature. You should see an option under the spelling section that says, Check spelling as you type. There might be other settings and boxes in this section, but for today's purposes, we are interested in this specific feature. Make sure to check the box next to Check spelling as you type. This action will actively turn on the spell check function. Once you've done this, Word will automatically highlight potential spelling mistakes in your document as you work, ensuring you catch and correct errors immediately rather than having to revisit your text later. It's a streamlined approach to maintaining accuracy in your writing without additional steps on your part. There you have it. A simple setting adjustment to empower your writing with real-time spell checking. Now, you can type away with the comfort of knowing that Word is monitoring your spelling as you go, making it easier to maintain a professional and error-free document. With these changes applied, you're all set to tackle your writing tasks with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy writing!